You have to see it for yourself. This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Follow me.
Jesus. What a mind you have.
Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video along with the clips and the music. This was just an example of how easy it is for an attacker to gain access to your computer. What I did for this exercise was disabled the firewall, smart screen, and Windows Defender on the Windows 10 machine. The reason I did that is because obviously those things are a great help and it makes it more difficult to do. However, there are ways around that, and attackers know this. So the biggest thing to take away from this is when you're looking through emails and so forth, that's the biggest attack vector there is still, because it's very easy to exploit people. Social engineering is still prevalent, and that's a good way for attackers to take advantage of you. So always be aware of what's in the email and any inconsistencies in emails. Attackers could present themselves as somebody that you know, and then you think you trust them, and then you click on something and you have something bad. So the reason I did what I did was just to show the proof of concept, I guess. To defend against these things, just always be aware of emails, for one. Make sure the firmware on your router at home is always up to date, as well as keeping your computers up to date. Make sure firewall is running, Windows Defender, Windows Smart Screen, because those things help. Good antivirus, and just be aware of what you're clicking on. That's the main thing. Always go to reputable websites when you do have to surf the web. Again, always think before you click, as someone put it. Thank you very much.